Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Android mobile phone, especially on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Android mobile phone, we need to go to our setting. Open up your settings application, and what we're going to do in this setting is resetting our Wi-Fi setting. So you can go to the general management and then scroll down until you find the reset menu. And here you can choose reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Okay, just tap on the reset settings. Okay, and this will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This cannot be undone. And if this method is still not working on your phone, don't worry guys, because I want to give you the second method you can try. You can go back to your main setting, and then you can go to the device care, this one, and go to the diagnostics. And here you're going to select the phone diagnostics, but wait, it's still loading. Okay, tap on the phone diagnostics. And here you will be able to test function individually by tapping its icon. And since we want to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on our Android mobile phone, we can choose Wi-Fi. And as you can see that my Wi-Fi connection is normal, but if there is something wrong with the Wi-Fi connection, it will appear right here and then you will be able to fix it. However guys, if the second method is still not working on your Android mobile phone, I recommend you to restart your phone. You can press your volume button and then you can tap on restart. Or you can also turn off your Wi-Fi just for a while and you can activate it again like this. Okay, and the last method I'm going to tell you is reporting your problem to the Samsung members. You can go to your setting and then go to the connection setting and go to the Wi-Fi connection. Click on these three dots on the top right, and then you can click on contact us. And here you'll be able to report your Wi-Fi connection problem to Samsung members. Okay, and here you can select ask question or report your problem right here by clicking on the error reports. Okay guys, and that's all of the method you can try to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on your Android mobile phone, especially on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.